How to schedule a meeting on Zoom. So if you want to quickly schedule a meeting on Zoom, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Zoom client, and over here, it's going to give you schedule. So you're going to click on schedule and you're going to wait for things to load up. And once it does, you're obviously going to choose the name, you're going to choose the date and time. So let's say I want to schedule a meeting for the 9th of February. Then you're going to choose the time 3 p.m. And from 3, I want it to go till 4:15. And once you do that, you are going to go ahead, choose the time zone. Once you've chosen the time zone, you're simply going to go ahead, choose a passcode and everything. You can also create a personal meeting ID if you want to. So once everything is done, you're simply going to click on save, and that's pretty much about it. That is how you can schedule a meeting. And once obviously a meeting is scheduled, you are going to be pretty much good to go. And your scheduled meetings are going to appear over here on the right hand side. Okay, so that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.